And next thing may I ask you, why you leave your work, come back for Shay, drag you in a mix-up? When you were working, let me say this, you were gaining a lot of respect from the app, Queenie. But now you come back, come sit down behind her at cheer and you think that look good? Before you even argue, I just ask me, I ask you. Wanna really I go say to people, these are the stuff me I tell you about, but you not listen, you not hear, you not like when people talk the truth. Everybody who Shay draw close to Queenie, she and them kick off in the worst way. And you have not said to your woman, say, babes, make we run a year without being friends with anybody. Let me be your friend. Anything you have to talk, let us build conversations in the background so till the audience get involved. Let us talk about relationship. Let us do something positive. Shay, tell me the truth. Queenie was a teacher. Anyway you fall short, she could have backed you up. But no, Queenie have you a leader. Where is the teacher's certificate? Why Queenie have you a teacher, Shay? Eh? Where is your certificate, Shay, for you to be teaching Queenie? These are the stuff me I ask Queenie. Me not cuss your Queen. Because the world expect me to go down Emmanuel Road. Me not cuss you. Me just ask you. Me just ask you. Can remember Uno have a cattle and 1,000 hills and life are going for Uno, but Uno live on the app like crazy in a pure bangarang. Yeah? So me go a foreign Uno there, you know? And Uno torment. So me want know. Them can't see my pick side. They cannot see my pick side. They cannot see my pick side. Nobody can see my pick side. Because Shay and Jaden don't affect me in no way, shape or form. Shay and Jaden, they are internet buddies. After gigabytes done, I don't remember any of them. Me not telling you that. After gigabytes, after me turn off this, I've gone back to the real world. This is make-believe. So them can't see my pick side. Me not jabbas, cause no side no there for pick. The two of them are nastiness. The two of them are nastiness. Shay have a union and a family to uphold and respect. Jaden have no life. Jaden has no life. You understand me? So what kind of side in this pick? After me no nasty. After me no nasty. The fact of the matter is why it sound like me a talk down to Shay. It's because when Shay came to Jamaica, she has been advertising Jaden as her brother long before she came to Jamaica. And this is the positive part where screen recorders not going to get. When Shay, this is why you have to be hard on Shay now. When Shay came to Jamaica, and before she came to Jamaica, she has been advertising Jaden as her brother, defending Jaden. You ever seen nobody defend Shay on the app yet? Oh, Shay become defenders of the earth. These are the stuff me I talk about. And when Shay stood up for Jaden, when Shay came to Jamaica, Shay never gonna look for her picnic where she not say in how much years. Good God, man, my child would have to meet me at the airport. Me and my child would have to hang out. Jaden, me I come to you. But me and my child, these are the stuff that you should do in public all when you not mean it. Come here now. Come here. So una say my pick side, right? So when you come and you advertise Jaden in such a way, so till you walk and defend and even shed tears to Jaden, which him not dead. And in return, you are going to come now. That's a mild argument. You understand me? Oh, me Jaden. Me eat the boy. Shay, it make you look like you is nothing but a wicked, dirty, nasty, germsy, drunk crow. And that Queenie need for all you accountable to. Certain things you don't say. You understand me? Certain things you bite your lip. You know you just bite your lip. Yeah, because some things I have to say about him, you say, I would not even say it because it's going to make me look bad instead of make him look bad. That's what I'm talking about. But no, Queenie, you see, because you're big and careless too, and you have the teaching certificate, and you make sure you teach your dirty life, and that's why you get blinded. Me nothing like Queenie. Queenie, there is nothing you can say in this world for you and Shay look like somebody in the argument here. If I me like me shut my stinking mouth, the tone in that argument favor nobody. And it's just the truth. Una not like when people talk the truth. Una not like when people talk the truth. Remember when you walk and chat everybody in from the down to the baby and suckling to the nursing home. How about that? Get the code. Could you buy one for me? You want one? I want to get the code. Is that shit? Yeah. Yeah. For Shay. These are the stuff I've been talking about. That is why I'm not say nothing, Shay. Don't draw me in your mix up. But when I want to sit down every day and kiki kaka, me not lie, me like Shay. Me like you, of course, but right and wrong are wrong. And I spoke to you about this several times. And Queen is sit down in the background with a teaching certificate. You understand me? And don't even say to you, say, remember me, you know, there, Shay. A Queenie should have tell you all of them something, you know. But Queenie ain't doing shit. All she's sitting there back on the pan, you want no say, you chat too much. You chat too much. And it's just the truth, you chat too much. With all due respect, Queenie, you chat too much. Help your woman. She have pitney, you don't have nothing. She just advertise her big boy. Only for soon you drag her up on the app. It doesn't matter about who cares, Queenie. It is just the truth. The truth is the truth. At the end of the day, the child of a growing youth. And she might act a particular way because she hurt. You did it as her backbone. You back her up. Babes, my gone. Find somewhere go. And all you can say is who cares. That's all you can say is who cares. It simply means say you're just as careless as Shay. And as Shay alone careless, you careless too. It's hot when you not have, when your partner can't tell you the truth. If me have a careless boy sitting with me right here, so right now, him gonna say to me, say, yo, done that, man. And him careless. And you have the certificate of the who's and ass behind the lady. It's you have the who's and ass. You sit down every day and watch them and drag your woman, and it don't hurt you. That is the problem. It don't hurt you. Jaden not have nothing for lose. Shay got a family. You don't have a family. Shay is your only family. Protect her. You don't want to hear this. And then when you're done, you come on the app and you cuss people and tell people, oh, you qualify. Eh? And you don't want to hear these things. You think if you not support Shay and nastiness, you're not going to take it? You think Shay are going to do a nastiness and tell us that babes do not support me? No one knows you not even do life on the app. And you have everybody in an argument. Every month, Shay and somebody in an argument. And them dry in it because you're there in the back of the pan. You know them long. And all you can say is who cares. Take accountability. And this is the reason why the internet are dragging like that. Because who cares? Who cares? At the end of the day, she has a family. She has something to live for when she get old. She might not conscious now, but she's going to be later on. You understand me? What life una live? If you can support Shane and nastiness like this, and you enjoy the fact that people are dry like this, it simply means so una live good in the house, Queenie. Me glad you come. It simply means so not living good in the house. Una can't convince the net say, una live good. Una not live good. If me and my man I live good, me can't do certain things in front of him. Me can't even talk certain way. Me can't even run certain joke because respect due. Who respect who? None of una. We not see no respect in the relationship, and that is just the truth, Sister Queenie, Brother Queenie. Me not know where your name. It's just the truth. No disrespect, but if you want to take it as disrespect, so be it, Queenie. Cause you're just as careless as Shay. You're just as careless as Shay. Me talk to Shay already. Be careful how you cuss certain people when you and them at it, because you're gonna look like you're gonna look like you're ungrateful. And that's how Shay look. Shay look like a big dirty stinking ungrateful good for nothing. It's true. That's how she look. And I spoke to her about this. But you say you Queenie, you could have helped her. You could have helped, but no, you sit down there, a cheer around. Then you think she not gonna take the chair. You think she not gonna take the chair. Me don't know how you find it fitting for not do life and sit down obedience in one corner like you're under punishment. Eh? Like you're under punishment. It don't look good. If you're a woman and you love her, remember her family. You don't have nothing to live for. You don't have nobody ashamed with your attitude. She does. She does. So when you come about who cares, it now make it look no better. And this is the problem that we're having. This is the problem that we're having. Because who cares? The kids cares. You see, the kids, they do care. So all when you and she don't care, remember that the kids, they care. So it's yo! It's not a case where you can do that little something. So you're running because the truth licking in your back. What you say? What you say? Who Shay really respecting in the marriage? You or the internet? Answer that question and get back to me. Just answer the one little question, the Queenie, and get back to me. Who Shay respect in the relationship? You are the app. It's when you answer that, then we accept who cares. God bless you and I wish you a good night. I might come back on if I feel like big up on yourself, happy kind of people, and I hope Shay get the message. I hope Shay get the message. Remember you have a family, you might not care about them now because you're at an eye, but you see in the future, you're gonna need them. Always remember that. You are going to need your kids, and sometimes kids carry hurt from a parent. They will not hate the world. They will allow them. They will hate their mother for allowing the world to hate them. You never know, and that is the problem. You have a growing son. Do not let him down. If Queenie mean you good, Shay, should have spoke your wheel all when you can beat her. One day you're going to respect her and say no matter what the lady always tell me what is right. You will get it one day. You will get it one day. But always remember, say, your carelessness where you exercise, Shay, the woman where you're there with is just as careless as you. Is just as careless as you. Always remember that. Always. Nobody can love me and not love my offspring. Nobody can care about me and not care about my offspring. Them not have to dey beside me for you to care. You better care. Near or far. But it's when people talk to you this way, you not like it. So here, Queenie is just as careless as you, Shay. And you need to stop right now. Have a blessed night.